वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपको अपनी स्किन केयर रूटीन दिखाने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि मुझसे कुछ लोगों ने पूछा था कि आप कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हो स्किन केयर के लिए एंड ऑल। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं छोटी सी वीडियो बना दूँ जहाँ पे आई एम गोना शो यू द स्टेप्स दैट आई डू अपने स्किन के लिए, और ऑल्सो द प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ जिससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा है मेरी स्किन पे। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर स्किन, क्योंकि एक तो जॉब वैसी है वेर इन वी पुट अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप एंड स्टफ। ऑल्सो जब आपकी एज होती जाती है देन यू नीड टू मॉइस्चराइज मोर। सो यस, बस छोटी सी वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका थैंक यू, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ गिव इट अ thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. First I start by drying my face, and then I like to use this toner from Claire's. It's really good. Just tap 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 tap. Let it all sink in your face. Next I'm using the face mist from Claire's as well, but then I've put it in a small bottle just because it's convenient for layovers. Then I like to go for the Claire's vitamin C serum. It's very good. Just like to massage it all over my face. It feels real nice. Also, I like to massage it all over my neck as well. Next is my under eye cream from the 𝒂𝒏.𝒂𝒏. It has this cute little pump and a massager. That's kind of a roll on, and I like to put it all over my under eyes and gently massage it all over. Then I like to massage it with my ring finger because it's not so harsh on your under eye, and it relaxes your eyes as well. So the next step would be my moisturizer, which is also from Claire's. It's really hydrating, guys. I think it's my favorite thing to do, massage the entire product all over my face and neck, the leftovers on my elbows also. Here comes the most important step. It's the sunscreen from 𝒕𝒂𝒏. You guys, it's very important to put sunscreen on your face because it protects your face from the harmful UV rays. So this was my skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to know more you can just comment down. So here we are with the final results. Thank you for watching.